Hi, I am Aswinraj. Today, now we are going to section number two, IP addressing and subnetting. The main is going to IP address. Main is to test IP addresses and subnetting. IP addresses means an IP address is a 32-bit logical address used to identify device in a network. And our network address, it represents the static starting address of a subnet where all host bits are set to 0. Then private address means private IP address are reserved for internal networks and cannot be routed on the internet. For example, 10.0.0.0 bar 8 and 172.16.0.0.12, etc. Classes of address. Especially we have mainly five classes. Class A which starts from 0 to 127. Class B starts to 128 to 191. Class C starts from 190 to 220. And class D starts from 224 and 239. The class each starts from 240 to 255. Top most address is 255. Like subnetting is a process of dividing a large network into multiple smaller networks by borrowing host bits to create subnetworks. And they are given some problems: binary to decimal and decimal to binary conversion. Convert the following binary IP address to decimal format. They are given binary IP addresses. We should uh, convert it to decimal format. Or in this question, the binary decimal format is given. From this, we are going to convert it to binary IP addresses. 11000. Uh, Take it. We should see top classes, and we should identify this commercial. Next, whether public or private. Please identify the class cache type or given IP addresses. For IP addresses 10.255.23.1, it's a class A because it comes under this first category, the range of 0 to 127. Next, whether the public or private, it's a private. Type of cache is unicast. Determine the broadcast and network addresses. We are given IP addresses with the subnet. Identify the network addresses, this IP addresses. The broadcast address is also this addresses. Next, the range of valid host address means 192.65 to 126. The number of hosts in the subnet is 62. Because subnet means subnetwork, which is a network of networks. Subnetting based on borrowed bits, subnetting to meet host requirements. They can design a subnet that must support at least 50 hosts and identify a type of casting. We should identify the type casting, unicast or broadcast or multicast. Next, you are going to identify the type of casting. Default mask, number of bits borrowed, custom subnet, total number of subnet, total number of host address. Subnet 1 means the network address should be 200.53.30.30. Broadcast address 200.53.30.31. First usable IP address 200.53.30.1. Last usable IP address 200.53.30.30. Like that, we have five subnets. For five subnets, we have different addresses like this. And for this, we are going for every IP address, it has a type of casting, so that can be given. And the final outcome is this experiment is completed successfully. We are going to demonstrate IP4 addressing and subnetting concept, including conversions, class identification, subnet classification, broadcast network address, and designing subnet schemes to meet host requirements. Thank you.